and on we'll go. Sing someone without you.
Comfortable, comfortable, abundance, abundance, attention, attention, photograph, photograph, honest, honest, mouth, mouth, personality, personality, cloth, clothed, allegiance, allegiance, country, country, humane, humane, orchids, orchids, accompany, accompany, glutes, glutes, Wednesday, Wednesday, language, language, perfect, perfect, convey, convey, attitude, attitude, bury, bury, pronunciation, pronunciation, tongue, tongue, roof, roof, important, important. She is curious about the anonymous writer. She is curious about the anonymous writer. The water pump is useful during the summer months. The water pump is useful during the summer months. Mother worried about the boys as the curfew hour drew near. Mother worried about the boys as the curfew hour drew near. The police aborted the plan of the mob that was about to rob the bank. The police aborted the plan of the mob that was about to rob the bank. He detached the pictures and attached the entire text. He detached the pictures and attached the entire text. Rebecca sells organic cosmetics, antique jewelry, and other unique items in her boutique. Rebecca sells organic cosmetics, antique jewelry, and other unique items in her boutique. The teacher thought out carefully what she taught in class. The teacher thought out carefully what she taught in class. Tokens and souvenirs of the antique gold coins and silver spoons were given during the reception. Tokens and souvenirs of the antique gold coins and silver spoons were given during the reception. The birth of the first girl in the family was a source of great mirth. The birth of the first girl in the family was a source of great mirth. In their debate, the moot question of the defense was mute evidence of their defeat. In their debate, the moot question of the defense was mute evidence of their defeat.